This is not a dream. This is one luxury which we cannot afford. We ask ourselves as to how can a society concentrate on growth, prosperity and happiness unless we are out of the basic hurdles in life. How can we offer low-cost medical help to people which is as essential as food, water and shelter? In the world of spiraling costs, how and where do we offer affordable health care to the masses? When can we think about others? When do we become one compassionate society? Our work, which has emerged on these thoughts, is actually a tribute in the form of answers to these questions. A humble tribute to the teachings of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and Dr. Hedgewar. One taught us to love and work for the society, the other to love and sacrifice for the nation.
Nowadays, the medical treatment has gone beyond the means of a common man. Many times it is seen that people stop their medical treatment in between as they cannot afford it. This must change. This change is possible with the help of affordable medication and hospital management. Health could become a center of social change which will lead to development and happiness. We have set our target of social movement to offer dedicated, affordable and ethical medical services to the society.
What happens if a team of doctors come together with the basic aim of offering affordable medical services to the masses? No big expectations of end results except for the well-being of the patient. No tall claims, just plain and simple medical service, not free but affordable. The team at Dr. Hedgewar Rugnalay, under the aegis of the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Vaidyakiya Pratishthan, started its journey on a similar path way back in 1989, and they have become our inspiration. The dedicated leadership from Nashik, under the wings of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, swung into action and took matters upon themselves. People offered funds from day one. Many offered other resources. The first small setup for a 15-bedded hospital was inaugurated at the auspicious hands of Pujaniya Dr. Mohanji Bhagwat in the place offered by the Janakalyan Blood Bank on the 3rd of March 2008 without cost to the hospital. Despite several hurdles, the first 5 years went in establishing and laying the foundations for the bigger visions. Medical camps near city slums and tribal areas were being held regularly. The Rotary Club funded several surgeries during the eye camps. Hedgewar Rugnalay Aurangabad had offered initial financial support and an initial set of some expensive equipment. This was a medical facility for all walks of life, rich and poor alike. The cost structure has been way lower than most hospitals offering comparable infrastructure and services. Bhosla Military School, started by the late Dr. Munjay, donated 5 acres of land with almost no lease rent. People visited, saw the efforts, observed, evaluated and quietly contributed. The foundation stone was laid down at the hands of Shri Atul Kirloskar in the presence of Shri Ashok Modak on the 13th of March 2011.
Professionals with high ethics and commitment were engaged in the construction of institutional building.
Some concentrated on construction, some on equipment purchase, other on medical requirements, facilities planning, administration planning and several others. Some made dedicated efforts to reach people for fundraising, and magnificent building took a form within a span of 18 months.
The facility was finally inaugurated at the hands of Pujaniya Sarsanghachalak Dr. Mohanji Bhagwat on the 19th of April 2013. In one of the most memorable functions held at Nashik, the chief guest Shri Arunji Nanda, one of the pillars of the Mahindra and Mahindra group, could not hide his amazement and was all praises for the visible efforts, and the 65-bedded hospital started functioning. Several hundred people contributed donations from 100 rupees to several crore. A lifetime librarian, Shri Shivde from Mumbai, chose to contribute close to 19.2 lakh rupees of his lifetime savings after retirement, his children wholeheartedly supporting. And a mail to Mr. Ramesh Tainwala of Samsonite saw him donating close to 9 crores from his personal funds. Pollard Steel, Ramesh Ji Mehta, the names are endless. At the end of the day, even the architects refused to accept the contract money which they had earned as fees. This has been a 20 crore project where every rupee is accounted for. The building and infrastructure has cost about 7.5 crore. Equipment has cost another couple of crore. More are in the pipeline, and the resource requirements now are equally daunting. For the radiotherapy unit for cancer treatment, the machine has already been ordered and needs to be paid for within the next couple of years. This part of the project itself is about 10 crore more.
The hospital has come up to a particular stage. Now the challenge is to meet the aspirations of the doctors to maintain this low-cost model for treatment to masses, and also to maintain the good infrastructure in this hospital. The model is based on the inbuilt mechanism of recovery of the running expenditure out of the hospital revenue. Good infrastructure, good human resource, good maintenance, good usage, everything needs cost. If this effort is to be a cause of best medical treatment at affordable cost and also a cause of social change, it will need huge capital investment in future too, which I am sure society will have to contribute, as society has done it so far.
One offer of a helping hand is needed to sustain history. These efforts are actually history in the making. One small offering from the individuals in the nation made one Vivekananda Rock Memorial, which is a national pride today. Please do visit, offer your blessings, offer advice, criticize us, put your hands on our shoulders, hold our hands and walk along with us a little further. Consider financial assistance, consider physical participation, spread the word, or just ask us how we are doing. The destinations are the paths which we have decided to walk upon. We are not worried about achievements because we have nothing to achieve. There are only things to do. What makes things happen? What makes people donate? And why do people work for society? We have no answers. Because this is not a dream. Shri Guruji Rugnalay.